How to get free gift on Temu. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can claim free gifts on Temu. The first thing you want to do is open up the Temu app on your device, log into your account, then tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner. Then from here, select the option of earn credits and free gifts. Then go to free gift program. Here tap grab for free on new user gift to add a coupon bundle to your account. In the free gift interface, tap get to start your round, then spin the reward wheel and then pick items. And then pick items that you will get as gift for free. They'll be reserved for you. To unlock them, you will have to complete the criteria given over here. The criteria might be to share your referral link with friends via any messaging app. Each successful invite deducts their value from your total. Complete enough invites within 24 hours to bring the balance to zero, and the gifts are yours. You simply want to enter your shipping address and all the other details. Then you will get those gifts for free. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.